For new business owners, sometimes opening a bank account for your company is harder than actually starting the business. You need an EIN, okay? You need an employer identification number issued by the IRS. You may need licenses. You may need formation documents. You may need minimum balances to establish the bank accounts. And some entrepreneurs can wait weeks just to access their own money by setting up that bank account. And here's the crazy part about it. We have developed a way to get your business EIN and your business bank account set up with nearly one click. I've seen our LLCattorney.com customers form the company, get an EIN and a bank account all in the same day. I'm Jonathan Feniak. I'm a business attorney and I've consulted with thousands of entrepreneurs and business founders. I'm also the lead attorney for LLCattorney.com. We're not a law firm, but we've formed more than 80,000 companies and helped them stay compliant. You ever wonder why banks make it so hard to just give them your money when it comes to your business? Traditional banks, they throw up barriers like high minimum balances or formation in a particular state or really burdensome document requests. All of these things can take away your time, they can crush your early cash flow in the company, and they demand all of these different things that are not legal requirements. They're false requirements created by the banks so they can act as a gatekeeper for entrepreneurs. It's almost like they don't want your business. And I actually think in a lot of cases, they don't. They'd rather have deposits from individuals who get their direct deposit of their bank account and they use their debit card. And those are super easy clients to deal with. But here's where things can get interesting because services like ours and our partners, Relay Financial, are completely flipping this outdated script. We want to make your life easy, but the choice is yours. Our banking partner, Relay Financial, if you check a box, will help you open an account with them. If you don't check the box, you can do whatever it is you want. Bank with whoever you want. In any case, this is how the process works if you choose to go with Relay Financial. LLCattorney.com has a special relationship with Relay Financial. We have what's called an API with them, meaning we securely transmit exactly what they need to open up your account directly to them. You don't have to collect documents. You don't have to go and figure out what the requirements are with them. And they know our customers and they make it very easy to open up a bank account. You're going to be presented with a questionnaire inside the client portal and it'll say, tell us about you. We already have all the information about your company and we're going to give that to them. So all they need to make sure is that you're someone who is bankable, right? And so some clients, I've seen them get their accounts in as quick as 10 minutes. They hit submit and the approval is coming in their inbox. What I've also seen is that customers say, you know what, I want to work with Bank X. It's one of the large national banks. And they go into their local bank where they've worked for years, but they've got a Wyoming LLC and maybe they live in North Carolina. And the bank says, well, that's all well and good, but we only open up accounts for North Carolina LLCs and we require your name to be listed in the Secretary of State website. They also say, well, we need document XYZ. We need a letter of an affidavit from someone saying XYZ, a PDQ, and it all leads to delays and a major headache. I'm all for having accounts at more than one bank, and there may be a bank you want to work with locally if you've got cash deposits or you're looking for a better relationship because you're going to do business financing or something like that. But day one, get the bank account opened so you can start doing all of the things you need to do to really start growing your company. So don't turn this into a major headache for yourself. Totally get it. Bank with who you want, but get the process going quickly and easily with our banking partner, Relay Financial.